What is up, guys? I'm Shukrish Bhatnagar from Me's Lifestyle, and welcome back to the video. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. And today I'm trying. It's been so long that I've been on my bike, and the weather was good, so I thought of going on my bike because I missed her so much, so fucking much. I bike and I love her so much more than probably most of the girls in my life. I love my bike so much. So yeah, 12th results are out, and I get it. I totally understand that uh, it's been a difficult. It is usually a difficult thing to digest that if you haven't scored that good as much as you were expecting. So yeah, when there are people who are actually very happy about it, and there are some other people who are super sad. Probably I will be from the second category, super sad in my 12th results, because I was with you guys. People who didn't score well, but will probably do way better in future. So let's get the video started. So I just got back from my bike ride, super amazing bike ride, which I've been dreaming of for the longest time possible. Because of the lockdown, I was not able to actually drive my bike that much. So I drove it for around 10 kilometers for starters, for today. Then I'm thinking of going for a bike ride more often now. So you guys will probably see me more in my bikes. 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 Dream come true someday. So what were we talking about? 12th results, right? So first of all, is it a big deal? Let me tell you, it is. For initial stages, yes, it is a big deal. The 12th marks that you get, they are a big deal. Why? Because they will probably help you in getting into a good college, which will further help you in directing your career in a particular way, or probably in a way that you want. But honestly, apart from that particular period of time when you are supposed to get into the college, I don't think there is. I don't think for me personally, 12th marks never really counted. No one ever asked me how much I scored in 12th, apart from the people who were in the authority of getting into that college, apart of my grad college. Apart from that, those people, no one ever asked me about my 12th marks. Why? Let me tell you why. Because though I didn't score that much as I expected, but trust me, I studied a lot. There were some things that happened in my 12th because of which, excuses, shut up. So yeah, I didn't score well, and but I did studied well. So I pretty much digested all the knowledge that I could from whatever I studied. So whenever I went for the interviews, or whenever I used to talk to the people who are into authority of taking me into their college, they used to love me. Why? Because even though I hadn't scored well, but I had the knowledge. I knew everything. Mostly, I knew everything. the important parts, the things that matter. The marks really doesn't matter in if you see in a longer path. They don't really matter. What matters is how much have you learned from that course or class or level that you were in. Okay, so now I know why I was feeling very awkward looking at myself in the video. I was not wearing my glasses. So, yeah, where were we? We were discussing something about 12th results. Yeah. Huh. So, I was telling you that it doesn't really matter in the long term, your marks, your grades, but what matters is how much have you learned from that course, how much have you learned on that level. If you need to learn economics, for example, if you need to learn economics on that level, how much have you learned, how much have you gained, how much practically can you apply that knowledge in your life? So that's what counts. For me personally, this is what has turned out, that what I have learned in my those 2 years, 10 to 12, what mattered now is how much of that knowledge I can use practically in my life. So that's what matters. No one really asked me about my 10th marks or 12th marks. No. What matters is knowledge. If you really prepared well, for your exams, then there is this saying that a piece of paper cannot decide your future, and it's very true. It can't. Trust me, I didn't score well in my 12th, but I got into a pretty good college, and because I was good in my entrance exams, then my entrance interview at that college went way better because I was prepared for everything, because I studied so well for my 12th. So it went well. And then afterwards, when I was supposed to get into my postgrad college, that interview also went well because I studied what in my grad college. I studied very well, even though my marks just, my 12th was shitty. My first semester was a bit less shittier, then the graph went just upwards. I just started to score well. I just knew how to put my knowledge into words. Sometimes you are probably not able to convert what you know actually into words for the teachers, and probably that's what happened in your 12th exams. So you really don't have to be so sad, depressed, upset about your marks. No, it will all turn out good. This is not the end of the world. What really matters right now is that you should know what you want to do with your life. You should know what is your passion. What if you dream about yourself in the next 5 years, what do you see yourself doing? Is that something that you love? And if you're lucky enough, most of the people never get to know what they do want to in your life. What do they want to do in their lives? But if you're lucky enough to realize that there is this passion that you have, and all you need to do is just analyze somehow that if you can convert and if you can monetize that passion, and if yes, you're good to go. Bro, you are good to go. It's not the exams that will decide what you want to do in your life. It's you, and it's how you are reacting to these examinations, and how will you react to the upcoming examinations that life will put you through. That will decide how your life is gonna be, not this just one exam. So buckle up for the upcoming examinations. I'm just not talking about the entrance examinations. I'm talking about all the examinations, because you're growing up, and growing up is a trap. If you can, you shouldn't grow up actually. But if you're growing up, that you are, and life's gonna put you through harder examinations, way harder than your 12th exams. So there's nothing to be depressed about. There's a lot to come, and there's a lot to experience in your life. There are so many chapters that you have to still write. It's a book, and the 12th examinations, any of the examinations for that matter, are just a chapter or just a paragraph, just a phase, and that it will go. You'll get through this, you will move on, and it's what will actually decide your life would be how you are reacting to the examinations that life is putting you through, and how your deep conscious want to do better in life, want to become someone you'd be proud of. That is what will decide your life. So yes, I will wrap up this video here, and I will leave you with the thought that you really have a long way to go, a lot of chapters to still write. You have a complete book to complete, so there's nothing to be depressed about. Buckle up and move on and get ready. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. And yes, one more thing, subscribe to my channel, because like this, this was a bonus video. Like I promised, I would be giving out 2 videos a week. This was not one of them. This was a bonus video. Probably I was hoping to motivate you with some of my thoughts, because I was what I faced during my 12th examination. So yeah, so this was one bonus video, and if you liked it, smash that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button.